As we all know, we need to select one president, one secretary, and a treasurer in our cooperative.
Yes? Hello, my name is Carla. I'm 11 years old and I live in Nava, like lots of you. And for the election campaign, I would like to present me of secretary. Because I'm a good writer, I have a good memory, I help the others, I'm responsible, good handwriting, I tidy and organize it, and lots of things more. Vote me and all together we will make a great and a strong team. Thank you.
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hello, my name is Gala. I will be your treasurer. I like making the accounts. I also like making maths. And I'm a good safety. Look. Count on me. With the help of all, we will achieve it so that, among all, we can do it. And always with a smile. Do not think more. Vote me for your treasurer.
I need a girl like you.
Hello, I'm Alba. I have 11 years old and I want to be the treasurer. I have a dog called Nava and it's very cute. I love my family. I have a brother called Martí and I love playing with my dog. I love drawing. And watching YouTube videos. I love my family. And also my friends. I love doing maths. And I like going to school. And I like a lot speaking English. I also like reading. I live live in the Town Hall Square in Navas. I like painting the face of my brother. I also like doing TikToks or musicalis too. I like being with my friends. I love my brother. I like a lot playing with my brother. This is me, please vote me. Thank you for listening to me.
I would like to collaborate being the president of our cooperative. I can contribute with ideas, with organization, with teamwork, with solutions, and above all, with friendship and partnership. Trust on me, let's do it together.
Do you need someone who can manage your money from your cooperative? Are you afraid about losing it? Do you sleep badly at night because you don't know where they are? Well, you are lucky. I have the solution. I'm Pablo Nava and I can manage your money with safety. For more information, call 666-777-888. Thank you for your attention.
I really believe in this project, and I think that all together we can carry out lots of initiatives.